In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an Instagram account to Facebook Business Manager. To begin, make sure you are already signed in to your Facebook account. Once you are on Facebook.com, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because the Instagram account will be connected through the business page settings, not through your personal profile. After you are on the correct page, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. This will open the main settings area for your Facebook business page, where you can manage page details and connected platforms. On the settings page, scroll down until you find the Linked Accounts option. Click Linked Accounts to see the list of services that can be connected to your page. In this section, you will see different account options available for integration. From the list, select Instagram. Facebook will then show you a short overview of what happens when you connect your Instagram account. Take a moment to review the information on the screen so you understand how the connection will work between the two platforms. When you are ready to continue, click Connect Account. A confirmation window may appear next. In that window, review the permissions being requested for the connection. Once everything looks correct, click Connect again to move forward. You will then be taken to the Instagram sign-in screen. Enter your Instagram username and password in the appropriate fields, then continue with the login process. After you sign in, Facebook will begin linking your Instagram account to your Facebook business page. Give it a few moments to complete the connection. Once the process finishes, your Instagram account should now be successfully linked. This integration allows you to manage certain business features more easily across Facebook and Instagram from one place. If you want to confirm that everything worked correctly, you can return to the Linked Accounts section and check that your Instagram profile now appears as connected. That will let you know the setup is complete and active. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.